Hello there, in this video I will show you how to create a responsive hamburger menu in Framer for mobile. No code is required. Let's get started. Step 1. Create navbar. Click on this layout icon. From there select frame. Then add a frame on your canvas. Go to layers and rename this frame as navbar. Move this frame inside the desktop layer and move it to the top. Then go to the right property panel. Here set the width as fill and set the height as 70 to 80 pixel depending on your needs. Then turn on this layout option. From here select stack and select this horizontal direction. In the distribute section select space between. Then also add a padding of 24 pixel. Step 2. Add logo. Click on this insert icon and search for image or text. Drag and drop into the frame that we have created. Then click on fill, click on choose image and select the logo from your desktop. Then resize this image according to navbar. Then let's add navbar links. Simply click on layout icon again, click on frame, then draw a frame inside the navbar. Then change the background color of it to the white so it matches with the background color of navbar. Then click on text and add a text in a frame that we have created. Add links like home. Then customize this text. Increase the font size. Change the weight to the medium. Select the frame that contains your nav link. Then simply turn on this layout option. From here also select stack and set the direction to horizontal. Then in the distribute make sure it is selected to end. Then duplicate this link to create more navbar links. Press hold and drag the links to duplicate them. Then change the links and text. Then select the frame and increase the gap to create spacing between these nav links. Step 3 is to add a hamburger icon. Click on insert. You can either use the image element to add a hamburger icon, or you can also go to the websites like icon buddy. Simply search for menu icon and you can select any of these icons from here. As example, I will select this icon. Then simply click on this copy svg or copy png button. Then go back to framer project and press ctrl v on your keyboard to paste that icon. Once the icon is added to your project, simply resize it and change the width of these paths so that it's look good. After that, place this icon inside the navbar. You can place this icon inside this tag so it's display within this frame along with this navbar links. Then you can rename it as hamburger icon. I will also add a shadow to this navbar. So just simply select this navbar frame from the layers panel. Then scroll down and click on shadows. Then enter the color of your shadow. I will give it as black and I will increase the opacity of it. Then give X and Y values and increase the blur. I will also add a border and I will change the color to light gray. Then again select this hamburger icon and then scroll down. First we have to convert it to the frame. So right click on it and click on add frame. Then select this frame and click on this plus icon right next to overlays. From here select fixed. Then you have to click on layout. From there select frame and then you have to create a frame. Then change the width of it as 100% and also change the height to 100% so that it covers whole overlay. Now scroll down and click on fill and change the opacity of fill to 0. Then close this window. Rename this frame as wrapper. Then again click on layout, select frame, then create a frame, then click on wrapper, then click on this plus icon right next to layout, then make sure it is selected to stack, and then you can change the distribution to center and make sure align is set to center. Then again select this frame that we have created, just change the fill of it to also 0. Then select the items or nav links that we have created, copy them, select the overlay and select the frame and paste them in this frame. Then select this frame, add a layout and select stack and change the direction to vertical. Then select all of these nav links, then change the font of these links and change the size. I will make them bigger. Then also change the weight. I will make them bold. Change the color of, also change the color. I will set as blue. Then also add some spacing between them. So just simply select the frame and go to layout and increase the gap slider to increase the gap between these items. Then again open up the icon body and search for close icon. Then copy this icon also. Then go back to framer. Then you have to paste this icon in this stack or frame that contains these items, or you can also paste them outside. Then select the item or icon that we have pasted and change it to close icon. Then change the size of it. You can, if you want, you can also place this close icon on the top right corner if you want. So just simply change the position to absolute and then drag and drop this icon to the top right corner if you want to do that, but I will only paste this at the bottom, so I will keep the position as relative. Then select this close icon and right click on it, then click on add frame, then rename this frame as close icon wrapper. Select this close icon wrapper layer from the layers panel and then click on this plus icon right next to interactions, then click on close overlay. Then here make sure it is selected to click, then close this. After that click on overlay and here you can change the preset of this animation. So if you want to add the fade in out or these animations, and if you want you can also create a custom animation depending on your choice. I will just simply select from here as fade in, then change the Z index to higher number like 30 so that it stays on the top of all elements. Then you can click on outside. After that you have to select this hamburger icon and make it invisible by clicking on this no button right next to visible. Then click on this breakpoint plus icon. From there select font. Now select this navbar and decrease the height and width of it according to your screen size. Then select the logo. I will decrease the size of it. Then select all these elements and then click on right click on them and click on add frame. Then just simply make them invisible, or you can also delete them if you want. But if that not working you can also decrease the width of them to 0. Right now and the logo and the icon is not showing because first we have to decrease the padding to smaller number, to something like 5 or 10. Then also change the width of this stack. Now select the layer that we have disabled or the hamburger icon. Simply select it from the layers panel and make it visible. Now that's it. You can simply preview your website. As you can see that the nav link and the icon is showing, but if you resize this browser window, the hamburger icon will appear, and when someone click on this icon, hidden menu will open up, and then they can simply click on this link, or if they want, they can click on this close button to close this. So that is how you can add hamburger menu in Framer. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.